Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Welcome to Slow English Story. Are you ready to hear my story? Let's start. Good morning. I am awake now. The room is quiet. I can hear the birds outside. My bed is warm and soft. I do not want to get up yet, but it is time to start my day. I take a deep breath. Okay, let's begin. My alarm is ringing. It says 7 o'clock. I turn it off. There we go. Now the room is quiet again. I like waking up early. It gives me more time. Time to relax before my day starts. I sit up slowly. I stretch my arms. This feels really good. My body feels a little stiff. I stretch my neck too. Now I feel more awake. Stretching helps me start the day. I feel ready to get up. I walk to the window. I open the curtains. Look at that sunlight. The sky is clear and blue. I can see the street outside. It looks like a nice day. I take a moment to enjoy the view. This makes me happy. Now I make my bed. I pull the blanket up. I fix the pillows. There, that looks much better. I like a clean bedroom. It helps me feel organized. A tidy room makes a tidy mind. Okay, next step. I walk to the bathroom. Time to wash up. I turn on the light. The mirror is right in front of me. I look at myself and smile. Good morning to me too. Let's get ready for the day. First, I brush my teeth. I put toothpaste on my brush. I brush gently. I brush the top teeth. I brush the bottom teeth too. This takes about 2 minutes. Clean teeth make me feel fresh. Now I rinse my mouth with water. All done. Next, I wash my face. The water feels cool. This wakes me up completely. I use a gentle soap. I rinse my face with water. Now I dry my face with a towel. My skin feels clean and fresh. I feel ready for the day now. Now it is time to get dressed. I open my closet. I choose a blue shirt. I also choose dark pants. This outfit looks comfortable. I put on my clothes slowly. There, that feels nice. I look in the mirror one more time. I am ready to go. Now I walk to the kitchen. It is time for breakfast. I feel a little hungry. The kitchen smells fresh and clean. I open the fridge. Let's see what I can make. I already know what I want. I make some toast. I also cook 1 egg. The pan is warm now. I crack the egg carefully. The toast pops up. It smells really good. Breakfast is almost ready. I put everything on a plate. This looks delicious. Now I sit down to eat. This breakfast looks great. I take a bite of toast. It tastes warm and crunchy. I also drink some orange juice. This gives me energy. Breakfast is my favorite meal. I eat slowly and enjoy it. Now I feel full and happy. Now I pack my bag. I put in my notebook. I also add a water bottle. My phone goes in too. Let me check everything one more time. Yes, I have everything I need. I am ready for my day. Now I put on my shoes. These shoes are very comfortable. I tie the laces carefully. There, all done. I stand up and check the mirror. I look ready for the day. I feel calm and confident. Now it is time to leave. I open the front door. The morning air feels fresh. I take a deep breath. The sun is shining brightly. I feel ready for today. This is going to be a good day. Goodbye, home. See you later. Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.